A Folsom woman fed up with a disturbing sound coming from a restaurant right behind her home. She says the noise is caused by a piece of equipment and she's demanding the owners fix it. But according to the city, they don't have to. Good evening, I'm Tony Lopez.
And I'm Christina Janes. New tonight, CBS 13's Angela Greenwood is live in Folsom with more on this noise dispute. Angela?
Well, Christina and Tony, this woman is complaining about the Mexican restaurant that's right behind me, but city code enforcement says that the noise is not in violation, although our own sound test shows it could be. She hears it when she wakes up.
It's frustrating.
And when she goes to bed.
We can't sleep.
A Folsom woman who didn't want to be identified says this constant buzzing
Awful.
has been interrupting her life for the past 5 months.
Our electric bill has skyrocketed because we're running stuff 24 hours a day to drown it out.
She says the sound is coming from an exhaust fan at Adalberto's, a restaurant right behind her home.
I've lived here for 2 years and it's never been a problem before.
I've never heard anything loud.
Eric Navarro is the restaurant owner's son. He's disputing the noise complaint.
I think she is going out of proportion.
He also says his family is being harassed, receiving 2 anonymous letters recently using expletives and threatening a boycott if the noise continues.
He's not breaking any codes and he can keep running this business.
The woman says she did not send those letters, but says she did call city code enforcement, who tells CBS 13 it took several readings of the noise levels, but each time the measurements were within the city's code, no more than 50 decibels. But we wanted to check the sound ourselves, so we brought out a sound level meter and tested it in 3 different points in the backyard, including the area closest to the restaurant where we're noticing decibel ranges from 55 to 56, which is in violation of the city's noise ordinance.
It doesn't surprise me.
Navarro says he's happy to work out some sound solutions.
I want them to fix it.
This woman says it's about time the restaurant change its tune.
I want to have peace and quiet in my home.
Now, Folsom city officials were not available for comment on this today, but we do plan to share our findings with them on Monday.
Angela Greenwood live in Folsom tonight. Angela, thanks. Now on to